Connect. Let me say sorry for taking this long before we put the weight of our notification behind you. It's something that is intentional. I just want you to know that from now on, you are going to see us getting more identified with the Abuja communities. Queen's Park Estate, right here at Kuje in the city of Abuja. You know how we do it. Landmark all the way from Lagos and right here in the city of Abuja. You could almost see the beauty that comes with this terrain even from the sound of my voice. That's it. That's how we roll. You have heard about this before. I am here to intimate you with it one more time. I'm here to tell you about the Queen's Park Estate right here at Kuje, Abuja. The price for the 600 square meter plot is 1.8. That is if you're buying it outright, and if you're spreading it across a period of time, it comes to 2.1 million naira. And very good thing, we have the 300 square meter plot as well. It's going for 900,000 naira outright payment, and if you want to spread it across a period of time, it comes to 1.1 million. That is cool. If you ask me, you can come here and buy 5 plots, buy 10 plots, buy 20 plots for yourself, and that is how you become a landlord. That is how Landmark helps you to become a landlord. And I have very beautiful things to tell you about this estate. The first thing is the fact that it's neighboring with notable human and economic activities. I always tell you that is one cogent thing you should look out for when you are taking your real estate investment decisions, all right? So this place is just a stone throw from the Nava Barracks, and then we are also very close to the Abuja Ateti Estate, also known as 1,000 units estate, all right? So this is just not a wilderness where nothing is happening, like I used to say. It is a place where development is going on left, right, and center all the time. And one other beautiful thing I would like to tell you, there's a proposed road that is going to come from Lokogoma and run through Kuje that is going to put this place at just about 15 minutes drive from the center of town. How beautiful is that? And you know how roads spring up in Abuja city. Piam, before you close your eyes, before you open it, road is there. That is how we roll in Abuja. I mean, federal capital money. You know how we're rolling. All right, so that is it. In case you have been wondering, you have been thinking, you have been, procrastinating, you have been, should I do it? Should I not do it?